Welcome back, everyone. If you have purchased a new couch during the holiday season like I did and you don't like the smell on the couch because the cushions might have retained some of the packing and shipping materials sent, here are some tips and tricks for you. I've tried putting the cushions in the ventilated area to air out the fabric. That didn't quite work out, so I had to follow the tip 2. Sprinkle baking soda all over your couch very generously and leave it for a few hours. And I also put some Downy Unstoppable the wash scent beads for some neutralizing smell. And if you don't have it, use a fabric freshener and then vacuum the whole thing off after a few hours. It's a mess, but you just mop the floors out because the baking soda is all over the place. But yeah, after a few hours, I got my new couch smelling all good. So try these tips and tricks and let me know it works for you.